Tell me what sex is like.
Oh my God, you have got a one-track mind. So I haven't really done it yet. Why are you laughing at me?
Just because you've had a lot of sex doesn't make you an expert. It just makes you a slut.
You f***ed my best friend.
Of all the gin joints.
It's been 12 years.
The guy I lost my virginity to was at my sex addicts meeting.
Had to get out of there, though. It's making me super horny. I have a little bit of a problem staying faithful.
So you sabotage it by sleeping with other people.
Oh, Elaine, you've never met my wife, have you?
Sam, I cheated on you.
How many times?
16?
I don't even know 16 guys.
No, the same guys 16 times.
Are you the reason that my friend Jake here is like the biggest slut in the world?
You're so pretty and you're vulnerable, and it's just like you might as well be wearing a sign that says, solve my problems with your penis.
You can go get any woman you want.
Well, I still choose you.
Why? Because I happen to be in your eye line?
In a few years, I'll be the old creepy dude who's trolling around for hot chicks.
But isn't that cool?
Little girls are told someday they're gonna find the one. What they don't tell you is that the one might be a dickhead with a heroin penis that turns you all into a sex addict.
You knew exactly what you were getting into.
Sober check?
Yeah.
You're strong enough to be this scared and to hurt this much.
We're not a couple, but we act like one.
It wouldn't work out anyway. We're too different.
Men and women can't be friends. It's like life 101.
It's the 21st century. We know that's not true.
Thank you, Jake,
For what?
for teaching me how to love someone.
We're actually rolling.
You know, that's how Henry was conceived.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, you're on speakerphone in a police station.
I love you!
Elaine! Elaine!
I hate The Graduate.